In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn chess endgames on chess.com. If you've ever reached an endgame and felt unsure what to do, this is the fastest way to build confidence. Start by heading to the Learn menu and opening the Endgame Training tool. This area gives you interactive drills on essential themes, basic checkmates, pawn endings, and rook endings. Each drill sets up a realistic position and walks you through the correct technique. You'll get instant feedback, helpful hints, and clear explanations when you slip, so every attempt teaches you something new. Begin with the basics to build a solid foundation. Practice the simple checkmates until you can convert them smoothly. Then move to king and pawn endgames, where you'll focus on king activity, the race to promote, and understanding opposition. These ideas are the backbone of many endgames. Once that feels comfortable, shift to rook and pawn endings. Here you'll learn practical techniques like getting your rook behind a passed pawn, cutting off the opposing king, and keeping checking distance. These patterns repeat constantly in real games, so mastering them pays off quickly. To make your practice more dynamic, try the challenge modes. Timed challenges add just enough pressure to simulate a real game, and leaderboards can motivate you to push your score a little higher each session. Use these after you've learned the ideas to test your recall under time. Between attempts, read the lesson notes that come with each drill. The short explanations clarify why a move works, not just what to play, which helps the pattern stick. For a deeper dive, supplement your practice with the platform's recommended video courses and articles. Watch a short lesson on king activity, pawn promotion, or opposition. Then immediately practice the same theme back in the endgame training tool. This watch then apply loop locks in the concept. Articles are great for reinforcing key rules you'll see repeatedly, like bringing the king toward the action, creating and supporting passed pawns, and using opposition to force progress. Stay focused on fundamentals first. Platform experts consistently recommend mastering king and rook and pawn endgames before branching out. It's tempting to skip ahead, but strong basics make every other endgame easier. To keep improving, practice a few drills regularly, review any positions you missed, and rotate in a timed challenge to measure progress. With steady, focused work, you'll start converting those endgames with confidence, and you'll see your overall results improve game by game.